I get asked frequently, hey Paul, where do I begin in my Kali training, or where should I start? There's so much information out there, so many videos, even just on Kali Center alone. So I set out to make this video, which has a handful of drills I believe are perfect for anybody beginning their Kali journey. In fact, these are some of the exact same drills that I teach to my day one students. Spend some time working these drills in this video, and once you're feeling pretty competent with them, then feel free to explore the different areas of the art.
First two drills are going to cover the basic angles of striking or of attacks. The first drill covers our diagonal strikes. This is what I teach all of my students first when it comes to handling the weapon. Diagonal strikes.
We'll begin with what's called fluid striking. This is where the strike begins on one side of the body and ends on the opposite side of the body, striking through the center line. Angle 1 is a downward forehand, angle 2 the downward backhand, angle 3 and 4 are the upward forehand and backhand strikes. Instead of smashing with a stick, I want you to think of using a sword here, a nice, clean, pulling, slicing cut all the way through each of these angles, each of these strikes. This is going to help to develop your flow much more efficiently. Take your time with your strikes here in the beginning. Just go nice and slow and smooth. And over time, as you're developing your coordination, then you can gradually speed up your strikes. The most important thing as you're speeding up is that you do so with coordination. Our next drill with the weapon focuses on the horizontal and vertical strikes with the weapon, and we're basically just going to strike a big plus in front of the body, beginning with the forehand horizontal, the backhand vertical, and then following with the backhand horizontal and the forehand vertical strikes. One of the things I like to do when I'm learning a new drill or striking pattern is face different directions while I am working it out. I find this just helps to download the striking pattern into my body more efficiently. Once you have both drills down, then it's time to link them together to build your Kali stick flow and get all of your striking angles in one flow. Your diagonal strikes, your horizontal strikes, and your vertical strikes. This is where I like to just set a timer for about 2 to 5 minutes, maybe put some music on, and just flow and get the reps in. And aim for completing 3 2 to 5 minute rounds at the minimum. And don't be afraid to explore the movements by changing the elevation of your strikes, striking high and striking low.
Now that we got some basic strikes done, let's move on to some basic footwork.
First up is what we call the broken footwork or broken stepping. This is common in many martial arts around the world, where commonly you may hear this referred to as a step and slide. A good drill is to work the broken footwork in beats of 2, meaning 2 steps forward and then 2 steps back. Our next footwork is our basic circling footwork, known as slicing the pie. And if you have the first footwork down, then this one's going to be super simple, because you're basically doing the broken stepping 1 time forward, 1 time back. The only difference is every time you go back, you're going to go back on the left, about 135-degree step. All right, here is the challenge for you. Once you have the previous drills down at least decently, then we want to bring it all together and start building our Kali flow. In Kali, the skill is the ability to strike and move at the same time. Of course, in a coordinated fashion. When you're just starting out building your flow here, just think about one step with one strike together. Starting just isolating the circle is a great place to begin your stepping and striking. Then isolate the broken footwork, starting with just the diagonal strikes. You can move forward twice on angles 1 and 2, move back on 3 and 4, and then switch the strikes to moving forward on 3 and 4 and back on 1 and 2. Then work on building your complete flow by incorporating both footworks and both striking drills. Just focus on one step, one strike, and over the course of a couple of weeks to a month, you should be noticing some improvements in your flow. You can do some rounds for some set times, or just go outside and flow it out during the sunset until it's dark. Let's take a minute here and just spend a little time working the drill, working some flow.
So a big mistake that a lot of people make when they begin their Kali training is they bite off more than they can chew. Look, it's super exciting to get into a martial art, especially like Kali, where there's so much to do, and start playing around with all the different weapon categories, your single stick, your double stick, your knife, all kinds of stuff. But the most important thing for speedy growth is to get the basics down first. So my suggestion is just spend like 2 weeks just on these drills presented in this video and just work them until you're feeling pretty confident with them. Then I got 1 or 2 other things that you can do to continue your training. You can stay right here on YouTube and just search Kali Center Beginner, and that will bring up a whole bunch of videos that I've made over the years that is geared towards those who are just starting in their Kali journey. If you want more of a curriculum that's already been put together for you, then head over to KaliCenter.com. I got 2 options over there. You can either check out my training courses and programs I have available at my online school over at KaliCenter.training, or you can grab my Kali Fundamentals DVD download. Download that video to any of your devices, and then you can bring it with you anywhere that you go train. If you're going on a long hike and you won't have cell service, then you can still bring that training with you wherever you are in the world. And because you are new to your journey, I'm gonna give you a discount code that you can find down below.
Thanks so much for training with me. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Let me know down in the comments what state or country are you training Kali with me. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to turn on post notifications. Until next time, keep those sticks swinging and keep flowing. Be well, my friend.